This is not a muscle workout, it's not cardio. Today we train the system that cleans your body, your lymphatics. Hi, I'm Andreas, and in this session I'm your guide. Just follow my movement in the main screen. No pressure and no perfection. Let's start with a gentle health bounce. Let's go! Welcome to your lymphatic reset. We start by gently rotating the shoulders. This clears the terminus, the area where your lymph fluid returns to the heart. It's like opening the main drain for your entire system. Breathe deeply and feel the tension release. Start with a gentle health bounce or a light march. Breathe in through your nose, your breath supports the movement of fluid through your body. Keep a steady rhythm. In the lymphatic world we say, flow is life. When we move less, lymph flow slows down. Unlike your blood, lymph has no pump like the heart. It needs your movement and your breath. So keep moving even if it's just a light step. Feel how your body starts to wake up from the toes to the head. Now transition into a weight shift. This activates the lymph nodes in your groin area. This area plays an important role for fluid coming from your legs. By shifting your weight, you are encouraging that flow. Feel the connection between your feet and your hips. Imagine you are clearing the path for the fluid to travel upwards. Now let's add some power with jumping jacks. First the legs, then the full movement. This vertical motion is highly effective for lymph drainage. Every time you land, the valves in your lymph vessels open. Every time you jump, they close. You are supporting the movement of fluid through your lymph vessels. Stay light on your feet. Next, we have split jumps. Change to split jumps, stretching the tissue to support the flow. Your fascia and your lymph vessels are closely connected. Think of it like a sponge. We gently compress it and then it refills with fresh fluid. You are supporting your body's natural circulation from the inside out. Keep your core stable and you're breathing deep. Add some arm curlers if you like. While we bounce, our arm muscles help the lymph nodes in our armpits. Squeezing the muscle helps to push the fluid towards the neck, where it re-enters the bloodstream. Back to weight shift, keep the flow steady. This is not about burning calories, it's about supporting your circulation. Imagine giving your body a gentle internal reset right now. Stay relaxed in your shoulders. This is your time to de-stress, which also has a positive effect on your immune system. Cross your arms and legs, alternating. These cross-lateral movements are great for your brain and your deep lymph channels. You are stretching the tissue in different directions. And this helps to release tension in the areas where lymph flow often slows down. Next, we have some jacks and hip twists. These gentle movements are great for your cells. Prolonged sitting can reduce fluid movement in the core of the body. By twisting, you are encouraging fresh circulation through your trunk, a gentle internal refresh. Twisting helps stimulate circulation around the deep abdominal nodes. Soft bouncing, left to right, nice hip twists, you're doing great. And now, soft bouncing again, open your arms wide. We are creating space in the chest. Your main lymph duct runs right through the center of your chest. By opening up, you make it easier for the whole body to drain. Enjoy the feeling of space. This is your health bounce and arm openers. Keep on going, you're doing fantastic. Next, bring your knee to the elbow, or better, your elbow to the knee. Bring your knee to the opposite elbow. This is a bit more intense but very effective. We are targeting the deep lymphatic system in the belly. This is where a large part of your immune activity takes place. You are supporting one of the most important areas of your lymphatic system. And don't forget to breathe. Calm and steady. It's getting a little bit intense right now, but this is very effective. Think about your deep lymphatic system in the belly. Your immune system gets activated. And now, tap your heels to the mat. These small vibrations can stimulate lymph flow throughout the body. Gentle, rhythmic movement like this supports circulation in areas that are harder to reach with passive stretching alone. Feel the energy returning. Beautiful. And now slow down into a gentle march. Take a deep breath in and out. Reach your arms up to the sky. We have encouraged fluid movement throughout your whole body today. Reach your arms up to the sky and breathe in and out. One more time, and then a quick stretch for your calves and shoulders. You did something amazing for your health today. Well done. Take a moment to feel the sensation in your body. That is the flow. Make sure to drink a large glass of water now to support your kidneys. Thank you for joining me and see you next time.